Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Gabrielle Nicole, for y'all that don't know me. And today I am going to be doing the makeup challenge that I think Nikki Tutorials started, which is called the Google Picks My Makeup Challenge. So basically what you do is you put your first and your last initial into the Google search bar, followed by look. So for mine is GT look. And you basically have to get inspiration and use the colors that are in that picture that shows up. So that's what I will be doing today. So please feel free to subscribe. Let me know if you like this video. And without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so when I Google searched mine, I get like this. I'll just put the picture right here so you can see it. And so that is what I'm supposed to be trying to do today. So I will just start with my eyes and we will see how this goes. The thing I really like about this challenge is it really helps you be creative. You know what I'm saying? Like you're taking something from nothing and you're gonna make this into a makeup look. Okay, so as you can see in the picture, they did kind of have like some light tannish brown colors as well. So I'm going to go through and I'm going to be using this Profusion Mixed Metals palette. And I am going to start with this color right here called Polite. And I'm just going to be putting that all over my lid. And I'm just going to use the fluffy brush to do that. Okay, and then next I'm going to go in with the same palette and I'm going to go in with the color Honest, which is right next to it. And I'm still just going to use the same fluffy brush, but I'm going to be focusing on putting that more like in my crease area. Okay, so now I'm going to go back through and I'm going to be using the Pure Soiree Diaries palette and I'm going to go in with this color right here called Gala. And I'm going to use that same brush and I'm just going to also be putting that in about the same area, like in my crease-ish area. Okay, and now I'm also going to go through with this color Splurge right here in the same palette, same brush. But I just want a little bit of this just to give it a little bit more depth. And as I'm doing this, I am just trying to make sure I blend as I go. With this black shade in the Profusion Metals palette called Knockout right here with a flat shader brush. And I'm just going to be applying that all over my lid. Okay, now that I've done that, I'm just going to go through with that fluffy brush that I used before. And I'm just going to blend it out. Okay, and I'm just going to take a little bit more of this Honest color in this palette with this fluffy brush and put that on the top and keep blending. Okay, basically I'm just continuing to blend this out. I'm also kind of blending out this black color a little bit and moving it up and just blend, 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 you know. Okay, so now that I have gone through and blended that out, I'm going to go through and I'm just going to try to clean up my areas where I had some fallout, like right here and right here. I'm just going to go do that with some makeup remover. Oh my gosh. Okay, yeah, I'll be right back. The struggle is so real with black eyeshadow. Like this. Okay, I cleaned up my face enough. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my NYX HD concealer and I'm going to take a concealer brush like this. And I'm just going to take some of that and I'm just going to make myself a little halo for my eyes. Okay, and it doesn't have to be perfect because we're going to have to blend it all together anyway. But now I'm going in with my Little Pony palette. And I'm going to take this silver shade in here that is right here. That is called Snuzzle. And I'm just going to apply that right where I put my concealer. Okay, so now that I have done that, I'm going to go back through with this blending brush that still had some product in it. And I'm just going to kind of blend it a little bit better. I'm not going to add any new product yet. Okay, now I'm going to take just a little bit of that black color and just blend this out. Okay, and I'm going to go back through with the brush that I used for the silver and just kind of keep patting away to blend. And in with the black and the black brush. Alright, and back through with the blending brush just so I can fix the top of this a little bit more. Okay, and now I'm just going to go through and do the rest of my face, and I will be right back. Okay, so now that I have done that, I'm going to go through with my Vintage Smoky Eye pencil right here, and I'm just going to line my lower lash line and smudge that out. Okay, and so now I'm just going to go through with a smudger brush, and I'm just going to smudge the underneath of this. Okay, so now I'm just going to go through with some mascara. Okay, so now that I have applied some mascara, I am going to go through with my Moonchild Glow Kit, and I'm going to use the Blue Ice shade right here and highlight my face. And going with this brush. Okay, and I'm going to take a brush like this, and I'm going to do my inner corner with that same shade. This look is so dark. I am not used to wearing like makeup so dark and intense, and I just feel like, ugh. I'm going to put on some lipstick, and I'm just going to use this Cargo Cosmetics lip shade in Guela, I think is what it's called. It's a very neutral shade, so I'm just going to put this on my lips. You guys, this is our finished look of my GT. Let me put a little comparison picture for you. How'd I do? So thank you guys so much for watching and doing this challenge with me. And if you guys have any other video suggestions or anything that you guys want to watch, or something you want me to talk about or whatever, just let me know. Let me know in the comments. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, and I will see you next time.